got an alert here, gold, but as you can see, it's bullish and I really don't want to touch it. However, in saying that, see how it's traded up, and this is overextended. It's traded into a monthly key distribution level. Have a look at, see these equal highs here and the wicks. This is big liquidity, guys, and I would expect this to actually retrace from here. So that could be a counter trend if you game. And have a look at this candle here for the next port of call. You got the high and you got the low here of the wick, and that's this high of this significant red candle. Grab a fib. If you're looking to buy, given that this is, you know, I mean, look, it's bullish with this monthly candle here, but you want to be a little bit careful because what I'm seeing here with price action, we've got equal highs, liquidity, it takes that out. This is big liquidity, guys. Big funds who were invested in shorting have a huge pool of stops sitting up here. This has taken out these stops. Have a look at this trend here. Consider that. Lower lows, lower highs, monthly time frame. Yeah. Are we seeing a bit of a topping formation here? Are they taking out highs only to target? I mean, I'm getting a little bit adventurous here, but think about this. There's a liquidity pool here. So you want to have a look at these price swings and have a look at liquidity. Liquidity is always resting where you see these equal highs and lows and wicks. This is generally what they're going to target. So, you know, we could pull this through here. Liquidity pool. All these blue dotted lines are my sell stops under here, sell stops under here, buy stops above here, and they're going to be hunting these levels. Look at this price swing. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, target 1 and potentially target 2. Wouldn't that be nice? And conversely, see that? So you've got this price swing from here to here. If this reverses, why would this not be a target? All right, so I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. At least this range here is a target down into here. So I would say, given that this is traded into this huge level up here, and this green candle prior to this sell-off is a monthly distribution, coincides with this liquidity pool. There's a big level, guys. So I'm thinking gold, we see a bit of a pullback somehow. All right, so it's counter trend in a sense. Let's just throw our trusty trend thing on here. And this is still bullish. It hasn't rolled over and traded bearish yet. You know, like this is a trend reversal here. This is a trend reversal. So we're still bullish at this point. Equal highs through here, guys. I don't see that being taken out at this point. So look, my thing with gold, grab a fib. I think it pulls back down in here. I'm not going to be trading it, but if you're looking for a counter trend, that could be an idea. And then we go down to the lower time frame now and see, got a red dot thing going on up there. We've got, have a look at it on, well, that's the monthly. Have a look on the weekly. What does it look like? Yeah, see that? Look, they've taken out liquidity above here, and that could be enough to roll this over for a retrace. We have an imbalance, weekly imbalance down in here through here. Okay, now it's trading up into this weekly green bearish order block up here, this green candle. It's tapping into that. Guys, let's grab a Fibonacci, high to low, 61.8 fib. I'm good to short that. Counter trend. It's not the easiest gig, but that could be a thing. Now, if that's the case, we've got this bullish, bearish order block here. So that's on the weekly time frame. All right, stop loss above. At least this is actually going to be a target. See these wicks? That's a target. Call that a liquidity pool. All right, that's a target. All right, I would go a bit higher with my stop. Go to town with the risk reward. See how we got to break through the mean here. It's starting to roll over. It's trending down. Then we get this push up in here to take out these stops. I think this is going to turn around. I mean, I could be wrong, but that's what my logic tells me. Given that it's trading into these huge levels here, and we've had this move, it's overextended, imbalance under. Okay, I think it's going to target liquidity under here. That's a counter trend idea, well, on the monthly, but this is starting to trend lower with this push. So my thing with this would be manage your risk well. Don't go in with a big position size and just see if this gives you a little bit of momentum. And make sure that you take your TP1 2/3 off. Okay, 1-to-1 risk reward. Look, we've got this level here above this monthly. That would be TP1 right there. So take off 2/3. So commit to that or the stop loss, either one. And once you take off 2/3, you pull your stop loss down just above this high end, and you're well and truly in the money there. And that could be quite a nice outcome if this continues to trend south, and you could leave that position in and trail it all the way. See how we go. Can it rotate here and trade up? Yes, it can. So there's risk involved. Understand that. So don't trade with big position sizes. Just be consistent, conservative, and keep taking money out of the markets. All you need is an edge in the markets, and have a good solid trading plan, and just repeat, rinse and repeat, as they say. Gold. Okay guys, that's my take on gold. If you've gained anything from the video, share the love, guys. Give me a thumbs up and comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. At least give me a thumbs up. That would be really nice. Okay, with that, hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.